One of the newer must-have items on a new parent's list is a baby food maker. But not all food processors are ideal for making baby food. So, you might consider checking out this best food processor for baby food. Now, let's see the features of this great product.
Parents have enough on their plate before it even comes to feeding time. What if you could serve baby what you're already cooking for the rest of the family, without worrying about consistency, bite size, or incorporating enough protein into baby's diet? With Babycook, you can. It's one appliance from BEABA to rule them all. Making chicken and potatoes? You can put raw chicken and veggies in the Babycook to steam and puree, and in 15 minutes have a complete healthy meal your little one can share with the whole family. Making your own food with Babycook saves over $1 per year per child. Babycook takes the guesswork out of what's hiding behind a label or in a food pouch, letting parents keep a close eye on what goes into baby's tummy.
And these are editor rating for this product.